It's a beautiful day here in Quartzsite. This is a gazebo. High crew gazebo all set up. See how I have it secured? Got the paracord straps to the mid. There's a very heavy loop right in the middle there. You can see it. So it's very secure. It'll keep in the high winds in Quartzsite. The winds get so bad that it would tear up this if I didn't have it secured good. On the corners, we have really good secures too. The camera's angle's not real good, but there. You can see how it works here. So it rained all night and you don't see any water. Very waterproof. Very good reinforced corners. There is no water on the floor either, on the ground. A lot of room in here. This is a small one, four-sided. I believe 70 by 70 internal dimensions. I have a little table in here. I have a couple chairs. I have room for 2 more chairs, really, if you want to have visitors. Plenty of room for more people. It's got the pulls in the corners by the door to secure that. The screen is very easy and very sturdy. It's not going to fall apart. Hate the bad zippers. This is really nice. Well, we're getting ready to do a dinner barbecue over a real fire. Dan started a beautiful fire and he has a rack hanging over the top of it. That's pretty cool. He's cooking up steaks. We have potato salad and coleslaw and baked chili beans. And we have chips and picante. And Buckeye, Kitty, Cat, and Chunky are here. They're doing something right now. Boy, you can smell that. Looks good.
Yeah, too bad we can't put the smell on
I
video.
know. No smell vision on my phone. Sorry. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. And that fire is nice, too. I like your tripod. Very cool.
No.
Hey, can we borrow a chopping board from you?
Yes. Certainly can. There's Chunky and Cat.